Alright, it's Abaki here again. You are welcome to another session of this course. In this video, I want to show you how to translate the Steen88 app to English language. And of course, when your seller sends you a Chinese response, in Chinese language, then how to translate it to English without copy and paste on Google Translator to translate the response. But here I want to show you how to translate it direct on the website without stress. So to do this, you need to download two apps on your phone. The first application is called Microsoft Keyboard. Then the second one is called iDictionary. So we start with Microsoft Keyboard. Just visit your Google Chrome, your Play Store, then type Microsoft Keyboard, as you can see. So make sure if you are downloading it, you have this logo here. Then you click on install. So it's installing now, so we need to wait for it to be installed on our phone. It's installing now. Alright, we have it installed on our phone. Before we move to iDictionary, let's set this one up. Let's go through the setup before we move to iDictionary. So you click on open now. Click on open. Then you need to take 3 steps here. The first step, you click on the first step, that is enable Microsoft Keyboard. That's number 1. You click on number 1. Then after you click on number 1, then you check Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard. I check it, then I click OK. Then you now move to step number 2. You click on number 2 here, then you select Microsoft Keyboard, the second option. Then you move to the third, which is the last step, that is number 3, finish up. Then you click on it. This is where you need to sign in with Google. Just click on sign in with Google. I click on it. Here you need to select your Gmail. If you have 2 Gmail on your phone, it will appear here. If you have 3, if you have 4, it will appear here. You just select any one that you are using to sign in your Play Store. So I select number 2 here, which is fsbackgraphic@gmail.com. I select it. After selecting my Gmail, as you can see, it says sign in successfully. I click OK. So you need to agree on this. Do you agree to share? You now select yes. Then install successful. Then you click on OK. Now you've already installed and signed in your Microsoft Keyboard. Let's go to WhatsApp to test our Microsoft Keyboard and examine how it really works. Now I click on my WhatsApp here. Then I choose here to chat. I click on my keyboard. Here you need to first of all click OK here. Now before you continue using this app, if you want to translate, the essence of opening this app, the essence of using this app is if you want to send message to your Chinese seller, instead of sending it in English, or instead of opening your Google Translator to translate to Chinese, copy and paste and send to your seller, you don't need that. You can translate everything direct on the page, So what you need to do now is you need to click on this at the top of the keyboard here, you will see an arrow, clockwise arrow. So there is A inside. So just click on it. I click on it, then you click get it. As you can see now, as you can see here, we have English to English. So what you do is we want to translate from English to Chinese. So from the right side, you need to click English. I click on English here. Then I now locate Chinese. So as you can see here, I select Chinese Simplified. As you can see, so now you can go ahead and type whatever message you want to type. So let's assume you want to type hello, how are you doing? As you can see, then you send. Wow. So that is how you type English. You type English and it will be translated to Chinese language automatically. So as you can see here, let's try another word. Another type, go let's say nice meeting you here. As you can see, so now I write nice meeting you here and it's translated to Chinese automatically. So then you send. So this is how you chat your seller with this particular keyboard. Now let's move to another app which is called iDictionaries. So you also download this iDictionary on your Play Store. So let's open our Play Store. Then we cancel this. Then we tap the search bar. Then you now type iDictionary app, as you can see. So and now make sure you ensure that this icon appears on your own when you are before you download it. Make sure this one appears. So when this one appears on your phone, then you click on install. So it's installing now. Let's wait a little. Alright, we have it installed on our phone now. That is iDictionary Translate. We have it installed on our phone, and now let's click on open. I click on open. It's opening now. So here you need to set it up as well. So the first thing now you do is you click on open. Then you allow display on over other apps. Then you check this. Then you go back. The next thing now is you click on quick translate. I click on quick translate. This is where you set permission. You allow this app to run on your phone. You allow this app to run on your phone. Then you click setting here, setting permission. Then I click setting permissions. To cancel this overlapping message, what you do is you tap anywhere on the screen. I tap anywhere on the screen. Then from the top here you see iDictionary. Then under it you see off. You click on it. Then you use service. Then you check it on. I check it on. Then I allow. So that means we've already set up our iDictionary. So make sure you type quick translate again. Okay, make sure this one is turned on, as you can see. So if you want to turn it off, you tap it. Can you see it's turned off now? So you want to turn it on, then you tap it again. It is now turned on. Now to set this remember that you want to chat your Chinese seller. You want to translate whatever you are doing to English language. Then you select English here, then you select Chinese here. So let's select English here. Then here I select Chinese language. Chinese language here. Chinese. As you can see, I select Chinese. So now we set up our iDictionary finally. So what you do now is, when you set it up like this, at the edge of your screen, you must see something like this here. As you can see, this very arrow, you can see there is something, there's an icon here hidden at the edge of the of your phone screen. You just drag it out to perform. This is what you use to perform the function, as you can see now. So now if you want to use this, let's go to WhatsApp again. Let's open our WhatsApp again. Now I want to chat my seller. I want to chat my Chinese seller. So what you do is, you just come here, type hello, do you have this in stock? So as I told you that you always see an icon here. So this icon could be found at any edges. Just check around the edge. Just check the edges of your phone. You will find this icon here, but in this case the icon is here. So now drag the icon out, drag it on the word. Can you see it is translated to Chinese automatically? So you send it, as you can see. So when your Chinese responds to your message, what you do is drag the iDictionary there again, as you can see now, so to translate it to English language. So let's move to 1688 and see how this really works. I open my 1688 app now. So let's find a product. Okay. Let's find a product here. Let's select this one. I select this one. So sorry. Let's see how we can get more sellers for this particular product. I mean this particular one. So what you do is, you long press on this link. Then you select the red button below. That is where you see you can find various sellers selling this particular cloth. It's loading. Let's wait a little bit. And all right, when we click the previous cloth, then we are here now again. So let's assume you want to order this, or you want to contact the seller of this particular one. You click on the picture, just tap on it, then you will be navigated to this page. Here now, this is the chat icon here. That is the chat icon. Sorry, not here. This is the chat icon now. This is the chat icon here. You click on it. Here is what you chat your seller. Then if you want to chat your seller, this is the chat box here. This is chat box here. Here is the chat box. You tap on it, then you write hello, happy new year. Then you now drag iDictionary there. Then you send. Click on the red. After this bag sign, click on the red, then it is delivered, as you can see. So immediately you send. This is what you sent. Then the seller responded here. That is an auto respond. Then if you want to know what this one reads, the meaning of this one, what you do is you drag your iDictionary here, as you can see. Hello, where can I help you? Can you see? So that is how you use iDictionary. But we are having two apps on our phone now. The first one is Microsoft Keyboard. The second one is iDictionary. So let me emphasize on how to use this both app once again. If you want to use Microsoft Keyword, just tap on the seller chat box. Then you make sure you click on these arrows here, the clockwise arrow at the top of the keyboard. I click on it. Then you now type hello. Can you see it's translating now? Are you there? Can you see it's translating down now? As you can see. So then you now click yes. That is the purpose of downloading and Microsoft Keyboard. But the benefit of iDictionary is when your seller sends message to you, then you use it to translate to English language, as you can see. So that is how you use both app interchangeably. So you can use iDictionary to translate whatever seller sent to you. Then you use Microsoft Keyboard to send your response or to send message to your seller in Chinese language. And also, can you see now the seller now is now replying my message. So can you see hello? Can you see after February 8th, that is the seller is resuming on February 8th, that is after February 8th. So maybe probably by February 10th or 11th, the seller will be fully back to business. So you can now write it is okay, I will contact you after the holiday. As you can see now, then you drag your iDictionary here to translate. Can you see now? You send. So that is how you use iDictionary to translate whatever you want to send, to translate English to Chinese language. And of course, not only that, if you are on Chinese page like this and you want to learn about whatever they are saying about a particular product, the specification of the product, the quantity required, the size, or anything you want to learn about the product, just drag your iDictionary to the page. Then you get the English version of that particular words. So like this one, and it says it reads 2020 Summer 2020 European and American New Korean version of loose, later short sleeve, medium and long t-shirt jacket. So as you can see now, so you can use this to translate anything to. So here now, if you want to shout the seller, you can shout the seller, ask questions, negotiate price, create friend. And if you are chatting Chinese seller like this, chatting them in Chinese language will give them a sense of belonging, that they are doing business with the Chinese as well. They may not even know that you are a foreigner, so that they will now give you more response, more attention, and they will be careful for dealing with you, because they will be thinking they are dealing with the Chinese. So that is the essence of using. So you can use it to translate anything, any Chinese words on the platform. So let's see this page to learn more about how it works. So this is the rating here. So you can use it to learn about what they are saying. So it's a very powerful application on your phone that you can use it to perform so many functions when it comes to translation of the app. So thank you very much. That is how you use this both app, and meet you in the next video.